Hey there, Dan here, and today I'm going to take a look at the Peter Mckinnon Edition Recon Variable ND Matte Box system, the director's kit I might add. I just want to say I'm not sponsored in any way for this video. I was in the market for a new ND filter and this one came up at the right place at the right time. I knew how good these PolarPro Peter Mckinnon filters are and I had no issue with buying this system to add to my arsenal of camera gear. It never ends. If you're interested, I'll put the unboxing at the end of this video so we can all experience it together, if that's your thing too. I love a good unboxing video, so therapeutic. Now, if you're a filmmaker, you know how important it is to control the light that enters your lens, and that's exactly what this matte box does. It's a frame that you attach to your lens to block out unwanted light, which can help reduce the lens flare and improve the overall image quality of your shots. But what makes this Recon stand out is its two-stage filter system and how lightweight it is. Plus, you don't need to use this matte box with a rail system that can add extra weight to your rig. With the Recon, you can block out the light using a flag and add different filters to get different effects to your footage. Okay, so I've got the A7S III here with the 24-70 2.8, and on the thread is an 82mm, which is the right size for the Recon. But I also got a step-up ring for the 70-200, which is a 72, and that's also good for the lens I'm using over there, which is a 16-35, and I also got a 67 for the 85mm, so it just covers most of my lenses. Now, if you don't want to use the ND filter, you have a separate step-up ring to just use the matte box by itself without the ND filter, so you just whack that on instead of the actual ND filter itself. But in this case, we're going to put the ND filter on, so I just unclip it, undo that, spin it around like so, and then we get the matte box, make sure it's unclipped, and just literally pop it on the front. And to stop it spinning, you just lock it off with a little catch on the side there, and then just move the flag up accordingly. I love the way you can alter the ND filter at the back here without the matte box hindering it in any way. Like I said, got step-up rings for the 70-200 and the 85, and they will just fit on the matte box pretty easily. Now with the director's kit, you get two filters, the mist and the Bluemorphic. Let's put the mist on. And it's great because you can have a two-stage filter system as well as the ND. These just clip on the front, like so. And now you've got a mist and an ND filter on the front there. And that's it. That is how easy it is to set up the matte box. The mist filter adds a dreamy haze look to your shots by blooming the highlights. It can also make your clips less digital and more like it was shot on film. Who doesn't want to make their footage less cinematic, right? If you're not familiar with the Bluemorphic filter, it adds an anamorphic style blue flares to your scene without the need of stylized cinema lenses. The filter mimics the anamorphic streak flare effect, causing streaks on bright light sources or reflections in the scene. So I knocked up a little Stranger Things inspired scene to quickly give us a little test of what it looks like. The results I've gotten with the Bluemorphic filter have been really impressive. Not something I'd use all the time as it can be overbearing in the wrong situations, but very cool nonetheless. Both of these filters are made of real high quality glass and have a real solid metal frame, so they feel really well made and durable. Plus they clip very easily to the front of the variable ND filter. You don't even have to use the matte box to rig the two-stage filter system up either. Very tempted to grab some more filters to have even more options at my disposal. Maybe I should give my bank balance a little bit of a break though. Nah, and that's it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a little like and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Oh, and enjoy the unboxing.